And once again, Gentry, babalik ang abante sa kanila. Aatake ang Carmona dito, wala ng 3 minuto. Bigay sa kaliwa, Mondero, that's his spot. Pero ipapasa muna na one-hander puts it up and in. That's Noel Baluran. Just entered over the ball game and announcing his entry right there.
What a teardrop, no? Para mabawi yung Kalamangan. 18-17. Ugay, na, ang dami nilang contributing players, which is nice.
And that will matter down the ball game. But how about this? Once again, Chaupo speeding his teammates there. Noel Baluran on the run.
Fresh kicks assist of the game na naman yun.
I think this was the last play by Bognut earlier. Hindi lang natin nakita ng kompleto yun. Right now, Carmona again trying to come closer here. Baluran for 3, puts it in.
So far, the 3 points ng Carmona, around